Hello everyone, today we'll be making some stir-fry shrimp. First, you would need shrimp and then some minced crab like this. I usually like to put lemongrass, lime leaves, ginger, and some minced garlic as well. And I would crack in a few eggs with some chives. First, you put in the oil, throw in the garlic, cook it for a little bit, then throw in the minced crab. After that, you can throw in the other ingredients to just make it smell good. I like to add oyster sauce. After that, add in the eggs, cook it for a little bit, not too much, and then I would throw in the shrimp. And I would let the shrimp and the eggs cook together and mix together. After that, I like to add a little bit of chili oil just to make it a little spicy. Add in the chives at last, and then stir, stir, stir. There you have it. Stir-fry shrimp. So yummy.